Greetings to all playing and aspiring drummers, to those who have the desire to learn and master the art of playing the drum kit. My name is Dmitry Orujow. I am a drum instructor with 25 years of experience. My students are situated in different cities in Russia and other countries. I collaborate with them from a distance using Skype communication. But not everyone has the opportunity to study with a teacher, and especially for you, I have recorded an educational video school, Drums Step by Step, according to his own program, which he utilizes for lessons ranging from the fundamentals to advanced playing skills. You lead a self-study school which can be downloaded for a fee and practiced at home or in your studio, gradually developing techniques step by step. Engaging in studying rhythmic patterns and breaks, the video is divided into multiple parts. The lessons are structured in a sequential manner. Learning progresses from simple to complex. All exercises, rhythms and drum fills are played at both slow and fast tempos. Musical notes are also integrated into the video for a full understanding of the material. No unnecessary chatter, only demonstration, notes and clarity. Learning should be simple and quick. By mastering all the material, you can become both a professional drummer playing in various styles and genres and an enthusiast with a solid knowledge base and technique.